Hi there, this is Pascal, Sales and Marketing Director at WeCrest. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can find email contacts for the Madrid notifier very fast. All right, first of all, you want to make sure that you have installed the Google Chrome extension Hunter.io. Please note that we have no affiliation with Hunter.io. Then you log into your WeCrest account. I'm now logged into the South Korean jurisdiction. And then you see here all the recent cases for your jurisdiction. Now you want to find out the email address of the representative to contact them and inform them about their provisional refusal in your jurisdiction. So what you do, you simply copy the name of the representative, CBH Rechtsanwälte, then you make a Google search. You take the first search result in this case. Then you land on their website, and because you want to save time and don't want to search for the email addresses, you simply click on the Hunter.io button, and now you see all the email addresses which are placed on this website. Then you click legal, because certainly you want to contact the legal department, and just simply take the first result. One click, go back to your WeCrest account, click Enter DB, paste the email address, done. All right, next one, Durham Grieg. Copy their name, go to Google, take the first result, click on the Hunter.io button, click to copy the email address, go back to the Madrid notifier, click Enter DB, paste, done. Next one, Stephen J. Copy the representative name, do a Google search, take the first result, click the Hunter.io button, and now we want to contact the executives. Okay, Michelle Tochter. First result, click, go back to the Madrid notifier, enter DB, paste the email address, done. All right, I hope this helps you to find out email addresses much faster. Thanks for watching.